Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all are doing well today. Today, I am reacting to Rain Down by Solence. So Solence has been a band I've been following for a while, and this is their latest single. I've heard a few snippets of it, and it's pretty good from what I've seen. And overall, I'm hyped to see how this turns out. Like always, the link to the video will be in the description, so you can go check it out yourself either now or after the video. And with that, let's get started. Towards the light, the compass will lead the way. Let the rain wash away all the mist. But these are clouds. This filter for that part was on any of Stranger Things. You know, do you see, like, you probably, if you've seen Stranger, you probably see what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, it's just one detail. That's an interesting switch up. This is a very interesting way of how they're doing this song. Interesting thing, the song is like, the verse is kind of reminding me of a song um like it's kind of more aggressive, like something like Animal and Me. Or and then the chorus is more like, wait, did I say I feel like I messed that up. The verse reminds me of Animal and Me, or a similar song to that. And the chorus reminds me of a song like Heavy Rain. They're both some of my favorite songs from school. But it's very interesting seeing kind of switch up they're doing. I like the song. It's pretty good. Um, there isn't much I can really say. Like I definitely like I said earlier, there's a pretty good like the switch up was interesting with how went from more of aggressive to um more like hopeful kind of tone. Which I don't think I've heard. I don't recall ever hearing that um in a Solence song before. So it's interesting hearing that. I definitely like it's definitely one of their best songs from what I can think of. Um, I wouldn't call it my favorite because the switch up, while it was interesting, it kind of felt a bit inconsistent for me. This is like me personally. Maybe someone else would think different. Like, oh, you liked how this thing switches up. But overall, it's a good song, and it's I'm definitely gonna be enjoying this for a while. Uh, so yeah, like always. Oh, like I said, I should say, the link to the song will be in the description. So if you want to just listen to it without my commentary, be sure to go check that out yourself then. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!